A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Hopefully, you all are well and healthy at your home. In this lockdown period, we got this opportunity to study these online live classes. So, today I will teach you the first chapter of Political Science, class 9. What is democracy? Why democracy? But before that, I request you all to open your books and notebooks. We will study the first chapter of political science, that is the what is democracy, why democracy. So in this chapter, the first thing which comes in our mind, what is the meaning of democracy? The meaning of democracy, the first American president, Abraham Lincoln, was an American statesman and lawyer who served as the 16th president of the United States. According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is a rule. Democracy is a rule of the people, for the people, by the people. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. The word democracy comes from a Greek word demokratia. In Greek, demos means people and kratia means rule. So, democracy is ruled by the people. Have any confusion? Anand, say that. Yes, this is the definition of democracy. Let points to be noted. Dictatorship, a system of government where unelected people govern and manage a country. As for example, Myanmar before 2016. Who is the present king of Nepal? Gyanendra Bir Bikram Dev became the king of Nepal on 4 June 2001. The death of his elder brother, late King Birendra Bikram Dev, Durga, say that. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. What is the full name of Narendra Modi? Narendra Damodar Das Modi. When he was born? 17 September 1950. He is an Indian politician. He is the current Prime Minister of India since 2014. So, what is the difference between In India and Nepal, he is the king rule and monarchy rule, and in India democratic government, a democracy, because every year, every 5 years election is held. So let's talk about several features of democracy. A democracy has several features. Number one, point to be noted. In democratic countries, rulers are elected by the people. There are free and fair elections. Elections offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. There is a freedom of expression and people enjoy their fundamental rights. Number 4, the opposition parties are allowed to function freely before and after the election. Number 5, there is a rule of law because of which a democratic government rules within the limits set by the country's constitutional law and citizens' rights. Next, come to point merits of democracy. A democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Number 2, democracy improves the quality of decision making. Number 3, democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Number 4, democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Number 5, democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistake. Anybody have any doubt, any query in this topic? You can ask. Okay, come to point demerits of democracy. Number 1, point to be noted. It is very crucial. Leaders keeps demerits of democracy. Leaders keep changing in democracy. Number 2, democracy is all about political competition and power play. Number 3, democracy leads to corruption for it is based on electoral competition. Number 4, elected leaders do not know the best in interest of the people. It leads to bad decision. At last, final conclusion. However, democracy is not the solution of all problems. It offers better chance of a good decisions. It is likely respects people's own wishes and allows different kinds of people to live together. It is undoubtedly the best form of government. In our Chapter 1 book, what is democracy and where? Come to point democratic and some as non-democratic. Democracy, features of democracy, this is the discuss in this chapter. Features of democracy clear, definition of democracy, democratic and non-democratic government. Point to be noted, this is the vital topic. Democratic government, differences, write down your copy, write a short on democratic government, non-democratic government. Number 1, democracy is the best form of government as the rulers are accountable to the people and have to fulfill their needs. Number 1, non-democratic. The rulers are not accountable to the people and their needs. Number 2, democratic government. In democratic governments, people elect their rulers and have right in decision making. Non-democratic government. 2. In non-democratic government, people do not elect their rulers and have no right in decision making. Number 3, the parliament is a separate body and has no interference of army. Number 3, non-democratic government. The parliament cannot pass a law about the army without the consent of the chief of the army. Number 4, democratic government. Example, India and the USA. Non-democratic government, Saudi Arabia and Zimbabwe. If you have any query, you can ask in next class. Write down in your copy some homework. What is democracy? What is the meaning of democracy? Number 3, what is dictatorship? What are differences between democratic government and non-democratic government? Write a short note. Next question, write a short note on features of democracy. Next day I will check your copy. Homework is completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.